Feeling drained? It's a common issue many of us face in our busy lives. Your body needs a reset. Sometimes the best way to rejuvenate is by giving your body the nutrients it craves. Do you feel tired and sluggish? Even after a full night's sleep, you might still feel like you need more rest. Are you bloated even when you eat clean? It's frustrating when you try to eat healthily, but still feel uncomfortable. These are signs that your body needs a reset. It's your body's way of telling you that something needs to change. A green smoothie detox can help. This natural approach can make a significant difference in how you feel. It's a gentle way to cleanse your body from the inside out. No harsh chemicals, just pure, wholesome ingredients. You'll feel lighter, have more energy, and your skin will glow. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. This 5-day plan is designed to jumpstart your journey to a healthier you. It's structured to be easy to follow and highly effective. This detox is not a crash diet. It's a sustainable way to improve your overall well-being. It's about nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods. These foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Green smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help to boost your immune system and keep you healthy. They're also a great source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. A healthy gut can improve digestion and overall health. This program is designed to be easy to follow. You don't need to be a chef to make these delicious smoothies. The recipes are simple and delicious. You'll look forward to each smoothie as a tasty treat. You'll find all the ingredients at your local grocery store. No need for specialty items or hard-to-find ingredients. Plus, you'll learn valuable tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle long after the detox is over. These tips will help you make lasting changes. Ready to feel your best? Let's get started. Embrace this journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. A green smoothie detox is a short-term program. It focuses on consuming nutrient-rich green smoothies. These smoothies replace some or all of your meals for a few days. The goal is to give your digestive system a break. It also helps your body eliminate toxins. Green smoothies are full of fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're low in calories and naturally detoxifying. This makes them perfect for a cleanse. This 5-day green smoothie detox is designed for gentle cleansing. It's not about deprivation. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. You'll be amazed at how good you feel after just a few days. Ready to experience the power of green smoothies? Read on to discover the delicious recipes and benefits that await you. Each day you'll enjoy 3 delicious green smoothies. These smoothies are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. These are designed to keep you feeling full and satisfied. The combination of fruits and vegetables ensures you get a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals. Feel free to adjust the recipes to your liking. Customizing your smoothies can make the experience more enjoyable and tailored to your taste preferences. Add more spinach if you want an extra boost of iron. Spinach is a great source of iron, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood cells. You can also swap out the fruits for your favorites. Whether you prefer berries, tropical fruits, or something else, the choice is yours. Day 1. Tropical green smoothie. 1 cup spinach, half a cup pineapple chunks, half a banana, half a cup coconut water, and a 1/4 cup water. This smoothie is refreshing and perfect for starting your day with a tropical twist. Day 2. Berry green smoothie. 1 cup kale, half a cup mixed berries, half a banana, half a cup almond milk, and a 1/4 cup water. The berries add a burst of antioxidants, making this smoothie both delicious and nutritious. Day 3. Green ginger zing. 1 cup romaine lettuce, 1 green apple, cored, half an inch ginger root, half a cup water, and juice of half a lime. The ginger adds a zingy kick, while the lime juice provides a refreshing tang. Day 4. Creamy avocado smoothie. 1 cup spinach, half an avocado, half a banana, half a cup almond milk, and a 1/4 cup water. This smoothie is rich and creamy thanks to the avocado, which also adds healthy fats. Day 5. Pineapple coconut refresher. 1 cup spinach, half a cup pineapple chunks, a 1/4 cup coconut milk, half a cup water, and a 1/4 teaspoon spirulina powder. This smoothie is a tropical delight with a hint of superfood goodness from the spirulina. Instructions. Wash and chop all fruits and vegetables. Properly preparing your ingredients ensures a smooth blending process. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Make sure to layer the ingredients for optimal blending. Blend until smooth and creamy. The blending process should take about 1-2 minutes depending on your blender. Add more water if needed to reach desired consistency. Adjusting the water content can help you achieve the perfect texture. Enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Drinking your smoothie right away ensures you get the most nutrients and the best taste. Each ingredient in these smoothies was carefully chosen for its health benefits. These superfoods are not just trendy, they are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Let's explore why these foods are so powerful and how they can contribute to a healthier you. Spinach and kale leafy greens are detox superstars. They are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. They're full of fiber to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system, ensuring you feel light and energetic. They also have chlorophyll, which helps cleanse your blood and boost your energy levels. Berries. These colorful gems are packed with antioxidants. They are nature's candy, offering a burst of flavor and health benefits. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Berries also add a touch of natural sweetness to your smoothies, making them delicious without added sugars. Bananas, a good source of potassium, which is crucial for maintaining proper heart and muscle function. Potassium keeps your energy levels up and helps prevent muscle cramps, especially after a workout. Bananas also add a creamy texture to your smoothies, making them more satisfying and enjoyable. Avocado healthy fats are important, even during a detox. They provide a rich, creamy texture and are packed with nutrients. Avocado provides healthy fats that help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. They also support your skin health, giving you a natural glow from the inside out. Ginger. This root has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and improve overall health. It can help soothe your stomach, reduce bloating, and improve digestion, making you feel more comfortable. Pineapple. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Bromelain is an enzyme that aids digestion, helping your body break down proteins more efficiently. These are just some of the amazing ingredients in these smoothies. Each one brings its unique benefits to the table. With every sip, you're nourishing your body from the inside out, giving yourself the gift of health and vitality. Section 5. The science behind the smoothie, how detoxing works. Our bodies are constantly working to remove waste products. These come from the environment and the food we eat. A green smoothie detox gives your body a break. It allows your natural detoxification systems to work more efficiently. The fiber in fruits and vegetables helps to cleanse your digestive tract. It acts like a broom, sweeping away waste and toxins. Green smoothies are also hydrating. This is important for flushing out toxins. When you reduce your intake of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, you give your body a chance to reset. This can lead to improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a stronger immune system. While there's limited scientific research on the specific claims of detox diets, there's no denying the benefits of eating more fruits and vegetables. They provide essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Section 6. Separating smoothie fact from fiction. You've probably heard many things about detox diets. It's important to separate fact from fiction. Fact green smoothies are a great way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake. Fiction detox diets can cure diseases. Fact, you may experience some weight loss on a green smoothie detox. This is often due to reduced calorie intake and water weight loss. Fiction, you need to detox for weeks to see results. Remember, this detox is a short-term program. It's not a quick fix. The real key to lasting health is making sustainable lifestyle changes. Section 7. Smoothie success tips and tricks for best results. Here are some tips to maximize your green smoothie detox experience. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. Listen to your body. If you feel hungry, add a healthy snack between smoothies, like a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. Chew your smoothie. Yes, chew. This helps with digestion. Don't overdo it. If you're new to green smoothies, start slowly and gradually increase your intake. Choose organic ingredients. Whenever possible, opt for organic produce to minimize pesticide exposure. Prepare in advance. Wash and chop your ingredients the night before to make morning smoothies a breeze. By following these tips, you'll get the most out of your green smoothie detox. Section 8. Listen to your body. While this detox is generally safe for most people, it's essential to listen to your body. If you experience any negative side effects, such as headaches, dizziness, or digestive discomfort, stop the detox and consult with your doctor. This detox is not suitable for everyone, including pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, or those taking medication. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary program. Your health is a priority. Make informed choices that support your well-being. Section 9. Embrace the green smoothie glow. Congratulations on completing the 5-day green smoothie detox. You've taken a significant step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Remember, this is just the beginning. You can continue to incorporate green smoothies into your diet to reap their long-term benefits. Now that you've reset your body, embrace the feeling of lightness, energy, and vitality. You've earned it. Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary. Our channel is committed to delivering valuable content that empowers you to live a healthier, happier life.